Hi, this is Mark Shevin with QLS. In this video we will go through the control startup / programming ticket type on our QLS portal. So beginning at the create ticket page, I have our first and last name in, email address, and title, and clicking control startup and programming. We have first section is our PO number. This is a required field. If it's a stock order or for whatever reason not known, just write NA, but we'll need sufficient info to be able to track it down at some point. Then we have our project name. So let's say this is controls request type. Now depending on what we click on this drop down, it will have a different set of text that's dropped in below. So if we say diagnose fix problem, it'll have its own table here and then some questions. A problem having more questions being asked than, let's say, adding new functionality. So a new installation would be a new startup, basically initiating a control panel in most cases, or control system, iLumen, Fifth Light, Dali, whatever it may be. Diagnose fix problem, self-explanatory. Return visit for previous requests. Return visit for any one of these above, and in particular there's a number of questions more listed on what do we do on the first visit, what had happened since we last visited, and so on and so forth. And adding new functionality or equipment, that's a final request there to, let's say, upgrade a control system to add some new sensors or new set of programming. So in any of these cases here, let's say new installation, we're asking for a job site address, so that's address line 1, 2, and 3, city and state, zip code. And then what's also helpful for us is the contractor contact info. They may be the contact on site, for example, and also their company. All of these being optional, but very useful to have. And depending on what we have here selected, in this case we still have the diagnose fix problem listed in, so let's just say that's the case. We fill out our table, just type in the info that we have. Then we have questions and prompts here, and just type in all the answers you have to that. And when you're all set, there's a drop-in files to upload. So for example, if we have a screenshot or a PDF, we can add that in here and then click submit ticket. And once you've submitted, you're all set. Thanks.